We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. About 2 hours ago there have been thousands of reports around the world of people turning younger before dying from the transformation. There also have been many reports of buildings and houses disintegrating into air, just like we are. Do not panic. It has been confirmed that panicking will only make situations worse than it already is. You are advised to stay indoors and lock all windows, as the strike team will be investigating what is happening. Keep an eye out for what could be causing this dangerous situation. Stay tuned for more information regarding this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The ongoing situation has worsened. The year is now 2017. Police have found the cause of this disaster. The cause of this was a man who accidentally hit rewind on a time machine. He is now being detained and questioned. Police are having a hard time making the time to present, as the time machine is really complicating to work. It is unknown the outcome of the human race. Anyone who turns the time to present time will be rewarded millions of dollars. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The situation has now worsened by a lot. The time has now been going backwards for over 13 years. It is now just 5 days after Generation Z. There is also another problem for the police officers due to the time going backwards. Some police officers have been turning under 18, which means they are not old enough to be a police officer. If someone turns the time back to normal time, they will get rewarded millions of dollars. The outcome of human race is not yet confirmed. Stay tuned to local outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The time had now around 17 years, and more police are getting fired due to their young age. The police say that there is over 24,000 buttons, which has no sign of what the buttons do. Researchers are still trying to examine the time machine and its ridiculous amount of buttons to try see exactly what the buttons do. Researching will only be available for the time that researching has been around for. The outcome of the human race is still no known at this time. Stay tuned to local outlet for more update regarding this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The year is now 2004. It is now 4 years after the 20th century. The researchers can't find out what the buttons do at this time. But we will find a solution. If there is a way, the next message will be sent out 39 years back. The researchers found that the time machine was made in 1778, so there is a possibility that the year can go back to how it was. Time has been going backwards at a faster rate, which has resulted in nearly 2 billion deaths and only 6.4 billion people remain for now. The outcome of the human race is likely to be resolved, but cannot be confirmed at this time. Stay tuned to local outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. It has now been 50 years since time went backwards. Half of the time machine's buttons have been discovered but still haven't found out what could make time present day. People from the 1800s are alive again and many of them are officers. It can't be confirmed whether humans continue thriving or they face certain death. But for now only over 3 billion people remain on this planet. The rest have disintegrated into little tiny sperms that can only be seen by a microscope. It is likely the world will end, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. Stay tuned for more information regarding this deadly situation.
It's now 1945 and now is World War II
This
again.
is Kenelred serving the whole United States with some news about an ongoing event that's been going for decades. The time has been going back so far that it is now World War II. I advise everyone that still has a home to seek shelter immediately, as there will be explosions all throughout the world. There is now a 30% chance that the world will end. Police and researchers are still trying to find out the buttons of the time machine. About 20,500 buttons have been examined, but still didn't find the fast forward button. However, the human race cannot be confirmed at this time. This will be the final activation for the emergency alert system as time goes backwards.
Wow, I'm alive? It's 1778 again. I saw those people die while I was in heaven. So you know what? I'm going to turn time back to 2024. I was told by Jesus sacrificed himself for us, and I will sacrifice myself for everybody as well, because I'm the only one that can help everybody. But someone better get rid of the time machine.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear, I repeat, all clear. The time is now present time and everyone that existed today is now back. Although it was unknown what made time go to today. But it was most likely someone pressing a fast forward button. World War II is also over at this time. We now continue regular programming.